In this video, I will introduce you to Neets Control SieRRa 2. I will show you what is new for SieRRa 2, what SieRRa 2 is capable of, connection on the SieRRa 2, Ethernet functionality, Neets Central Control, and Neets expansion possibilities. Neets control systems span a wide variety of capabilities, from the simplicity of Quebec to the function-packed Delta. SieRRa 2 is a versatile control system that offers a variety of AV opportunities. The SieRRa 2 introduces a new improved processor, electronics, and mechanics compared to the original SieRRa. It now supports power over Ethernet, so you only need to connect a network cable to power your control system. And SieRRa 2 now supports up to 10 connected network devices. SieRRa 2 is easily configured and installed, and now it has a built-in infrared learner, so you can update your device drivers by connecting via USB to the control system. SieRRa 2 is a compact and reliable control system that fits any meeting room, classroom, or conference room where you sometimes need quick, easy, and intuitive button control, and other times you require the capabilities of a touch interface. SieRRa 2 is very flexible due to its useful expansion possibilities. Looking at the front of the SieRRa 2, it has 8 freely configurable buttons, so you can design it for the exact functions and buttons that you need. The SieRRa 2 is easy to install, and it fits most outlet box and frames. You configure it through the USB port just under the label, making it easy to reconfigure even without removing it from the outlet box. The configuration is done quickly from the free Neets Project Designer software. If we have a look at the back of the SieRRa 2, you will find one bidirectional RS-232 port with both TX and RX connections, 2 unidirectional RS-232 ports with only TX. These 2 ports can also be configured as infrared ports with up to 2 IR emitters each. You have 3 general-purpose I/O ports and the Neets expansion bus that can be used to expand the system with up to 5 Neets NEB devices. Furthermore, you have the Ethernet port that can be used to power the unit instead of the 12-volt connection. The Ethernet port allows you to control up to 10 network devices, and it is able to send email notifications and warnings. SieRRa 2 supports several video conferencing systems, and with Neets Project Designer, you can create your own custom graphical user interface, or you can use templates provided by Neets. You can make it as simple or as advanced as you like to provide easy control of all room functions. In addition to this, SieRRa 2 allows room monitoring with Neets Central Control. With Neets Central Control, you get an easy way to monitor and control all your Neets control systems from one central location. You get an overview of all your room's status, lamp and filter times for projectors, and warnings if the lamp or filter needs replacing. You can even go direct to each room and control it remotely. This is very useful for technical support, as they can help users of the room without going on site. Also, group control can be used to control groups of panels, like switching all panels off or on. Neets Central Control is a great way to manage your meeting rooms in office environments or classrooms in schools and universities. With the Neets Expansion Bus, NEB for short, you are able to expand your control system with even more functionality. If you have a Neets SieRRa 2, you could expand it with up to 4 NEB keypads, adding an extra 32 freely configurable buttons. It can be placed next to the control system or be placed up to 40 meters away with the help of NEB extenders. If you do not need 40 buttons, then you could take advantage of an NEB level control. You can mix and match these several NEB units as you like. If it is not buttons or level controls you need, but an extra connection port, then you can use the NEB expansion module. It adds another bidirectional RS-232 port, an RS-485 port, and 2 general-purpose I/O ports. The Neets expansion bus makes the Neets control system flexible and expandable, so it will fit your needs. Neets expansion over network allows you to expand your control system with other networked Neets control systems. They will extend your system with more ports, and they will work as extra keypads. Remember that adding another control system will not increase the amount of graphical interface available. The main control system will only have one graphical user interface. You can learn more about configuring SieRRa 2 in the Neets Project Designer training videos on neets.dk. Thank you for watching. Find more information on neets.dk.